Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dayna. In case you are new, I am going to clean my office / craft room. This side is fairly decent. Needs to get wiped down, dusted off. But I have been literally shoving everything to this corner for the past week or two. Actually longer than that, let's be real. And then I have bags down here that I need to go through and kind of declutter. And then it is officially time to get rid of the fans and the air conditioning unit and open up my corner that's always full. This is where I put my lights, but with the AC unit that used to be in the window, it was pretty full. So we're just going to get busy. I'm going to clean everything off first, and then we will start to clean, dust, and wipe everything down. So let's go. Also, one thing that helps motivate me while I'm cleaning, either it's listening to music or listening to my books. And this is what I'm reading right now. you guys, I've got it all cleaned up now. This side wasn't too hard. It was just a matter of wiping things down, dusting things off. And then over in this corner, I finally got all of the school supplies put away, the excess from last year that they dumped out of their backpacks. I got all of our electronics kind of tucked away down underneath there. I'm going to deal with that bag another day. I'm tired. I don't want to deal with it. And then this bin was donated to me to see if I needed any school supplies, and I'm done pulling out what I need, so I will donate the rest of that. And then the other side, don't mind the lights, but the other side is, that corner is all clear now. So that's where I store my lights, in the corner over there. So now it's easier for me to get them in and out. Alright, you guys, that is it. I am done cleaning here in my craft room. It's also my office. So when I have a clean office, I tend to get a lot more done. So I am ready to start working and getting things done here on the computer. What I need you guys to do is to go and subscribe to my channel. If you are coming to my channel from a cleaning video that you were searching for, that's fabulous because I have cleaning videos. But if you subscribe and click on the little bell that pops up, you're going to get notified 5 days a week. I post videos. We have everything from craft projects, home decor, cleaning videos, decluttering, organization. We also do daily videos with my family when we have fun things going on. Currently, their kids are all in school, so it tends to be a little bit boring for most of the week, but my husband and I are planning on doing videos when we're home together and then when they get home from school. So make sure you subscribe and come back for more. All right, you guys, take care. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.